everybody, so Filipina. So today's video, I'm going to unbox flip-flops again from Shein, and this is not a sponsored video. So it's just a quick unboxing, and let's get started. Oh my god, it's so cute. And then after this one, we're going to try. So this is how it looks like. So another collection for today. For today's video. This is my new flip-flops. Then after this one, after unboxing, I'm going to color my nails. So I have some nail colors here with me. Blue. So since I'm wearing blue, I'm going to paint my nails with blue colors. So now I'm going to try on so nice. So my size is 36 and this is how it looks like. So cute. I love it. I love it. So that's all, and I'm gonna walk first. So of course I'm gonna show you first how it looks like. So that's all for now, everyone. I hope you enjoy our unboxing video, and of course more unboxing and of course more unboxing video to come.